Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. In the realm of interior design, kitchen lighting ideas have been a source of creative innovation and functional enhancement. As homes continue to evolve, so too do the strategies for illuminating one of the most important spaces within team. In recent years, we've witnessed a shift towards more holistic approaches with an emphasis on layered lighting. This technique combines ambient task and accent lighting, not only brighten the kitchen but also create a multifaceted and inviting atmosphere. Pendant lights have remained a timeless choice, offering a perfect blend of form and function. However, contemporary designs have introduced sleek and minimalist options, elevating kitchen aesthetics. Furthermore, LED technology has revolutionized kitchen lighting, making under cabinet lighting a staple for both task lighting and modern visual appeal. Within the integration of smart lighting systems, homeowners now have the power to customize their kitchen's ambience at the touch of a button, adding a touch of convenience and sophistication to this essential space. Whether you are drawn to the rustic charm of classic fixtures or the cutting edge allure of LED stripes, kitchen lighting ideas continue the shape of heart of our homes in exciting and versatile ways. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like.